If a book can inspire millions, then a film can do no less. With the release of Iron Man in 2008, I was inspired. It wasn't the cool suit. It wasn't the swagger. It was the technology that surrounded the man. And at the heart of it all, a power plant with zero emissions, it was scalable, and its potential limitless. I knew what inspired its design, fusion. We're now billions of dollars deep in R&D this century. Its future is still uncertain, and the planet is arguably counting on it. We can do better than this. We have to. The planet can't wait. The risk is too great. Why wait? Game on. Magnet motors are so advanced that neither FEA simulation or the academic community can even explain why they work. What about power plants? Generators. And thus, the core design of gearx was born. gearx is a design for a portable magnet generator that has zero emissions, it's scalable in design and hardware, it will run anywhere, and you can print it. I believe this generator design, in time, will change the game on any platform with a power overhead anywhere. No billions in R&D, no limited access, just open design, innovation, and a fuck ton of awesome. Yes, I said fuck ton. gearx is merely the spark before the flame. Come and set the world on fire with me.